One of the main reasons why I decided that I wanted to have Sonos system is because I couldn't have tower speakers standing on my house because my TV is about 100 inch. That will that will it will be the issue for me to do so just that. So what I decided to do is I went with Sonos, got the Sonos Ultra, got the sub, got the 300. But I decided I wanted to create more sound in this room, so I decided to put the ceiling speakers, which were not easy to install, but I've done it. And the amp is basically in my bedroom, because this side of the ceiling is around my bedroom. So did that, and then because my whole idea was it should be possible for me to connect those different zones and then play them. I also have in-ceiling speakers in that room, which are also connected on the same amp. So what I did was I basically, for me to access, say for instance, this sound is playing. So if you want to access sound from your TV to play up onto your in-ceiling speakers, you need to already start playing the show onto your TV. So show is playing on my TV. I basically then go to my Sonos app. Under here, as you can see, it show you TV. If you're listening to music, you won't see this because it just said that you're listening to music. So it show you TV. You press on the TV. I'll say pop up. Then you go to here. So you select where you want the sound to play from. So I would say I normally put the ceiling speakers a little bit lower because they're not the same brand, so they both sound a little bit different. But if you put it a little bit lower, you'll get that effect better. It sounds more clear and better. So I say I want those two to play. If you have more Sonos system, they will appear here. I am planning to buy more, especially another amp, but I want to buy the cheaper one, so I want to have an amp on the that's connected onto my hallway. So I say apply, and then now when I'm playing the sound,
with true sorrow and pray for forgiveness.
Yeah, why should I? I haven't done anything wrong.
Where did you get that cut on your face?
I tripped going downstairs.
Clothes are a mess.
It was a mother of a fall.
And that trace of a nosebleed?
Yeah, well, when I fell, I bumped smack into this super hot chick, and I.
and one of the other
Where she is, man!
one of the other main benefit of creating, say for instance, sounds on the top is, so the way I'm sitting is where I'm sitting on my stool is basically in the middle. I have the 300s just in the back there. So I have the 300 in the back, right, and I have the Ultra blazing music towards me. I have the sub playing music towards me. I have the 300 playing music from my back to the front. Then I have this one. They're acting like my center, my other center speaker, if you get what I mean. And they play music straight down from the roof. And it's like when you sit in here, it's like you are in the music. It's like you're surrounded by the music. And the best part about it is if I leave this room and I walk to the next room, I can still hear the sound playing there because there's ceiling speakers on that ceiling too, which is quite great. So if you don't want to break the bank and you want to build a cinema setup, I suggest you look into the Sonos and then you also look into the Sonos amp. I am going to place more amps places in this house, but I want to do the downstairs first. Then I want to focus on the upstairs first. I want to place an amp there too upstairs so that that amp can play music in those bedrooms too when we come to that. But for now, I am really happy with this setup. It's great. It works good for me. And when I'm watching movies, I'm like, I've thought about this and I am really, really happy with the decisions that I made. I may be planning in the future to put maybe another speakers all the way back towards this end here, but that's the future project. I want to enjoy these ones first, and then maybe next year I'm planning to open my my bedroom again, and then go into the ground to the floor, and then start tinkering around. But for now, I'm quite happy with what I have, and I would say those speakers, they are 8-inch speakers. You know, they're not the same brand, but I have ordered that one that come because that's monitor audio, and so I can place that one away and put the monitor audio there, and then put that one into the hallway. So that speaker there is gonna go in the hallway. This is gonna be 2 monitor audio speakers. So I'm looking forward to it. It's a great setup. It's a great setup. I'm really happy with it, and I'm pleased with the outcome. Yeah, give it a try if that's what you're looking for. I have a 100-inch here. I feel like I'm in the cinema. When me and my wife are watching TV, we feel like we're in the cinema. It's the sub are crazy. We are also planning to buy another sub in the future, but I think maybe a sub 2 or sub 3. So that's a sub 4, and I might go for a sub 3 because it's a little bit cheaper. And I'm gonna place that sub 3 into the conservatory so that the bass, I'm gonna place it into the dining room so that the bass, also there's a bass in the dining room. Anyway, my name is Danny. If you like, press like, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you guys on the next one. Peace.